This is Vijay Vadapal, diabetes educator from Indo-Vietnam Medical Board and healthy lifestyle and abundance expert from Mumbai. I am so glad to share with you that I attended in March 2019 this international conference conducted by Naturopathy College in Bhopal and which was organized by the courtesy of Dr. Vishwarup Chaudhary, my mentor, and also Dr. Bimal Chajjar and Dr. Gulab Tewani. And I was so pleased to attend this conference that my life has changed 180 degrees since then. Not only I am following Dr. Vishwarup's deep diet, which is disciplined individual person's diet, and which is all about, if you eat the right food, food becomes medicine and you don't need to take medicine. And since that day, I have been follower of this deep diet. And not only I have got rid of my diabetes, hypertension, extra body weight from 83 kilos to 74 kilos. I've lost 4 inches on my waistline. I've become medicine free, and I have been really leading a very happy and healthy life.